4-ingredient recipe for a permanent hair straightening. Women constantly try to obtain best results in straightening their hair, as they prefer it longer and shiny. Straight hair is nowadays one of the must-have trends. However, as hair straighteners seriously damage the hair, treatments which permanently straighten it are more than welcome. Today, we will present the best national homemade straightening treatment that will offer results that will amaze you, even if your hair is curly and difficult to be tamed. This is the recipe that will undoubtedly replace your regular straightening routine. Ingredients: juice of 1 lemon, about 4 tablespoons. 1 cup coconut oil. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 3 tablespoons cornstarch. Procedure: mix the above ingredients and apply the mixture on your hair. Then, put on a shower cap, and a hot towel over it. Leave it to stand for 1-2 hours. This remarkable home straightening treatment will leave your hair healthy, silky and shiny. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.